If you have cleared NEET exam but still you haven't got MBBS seat in India, you are not alone. Every year, more than 18 lakh students appear for NEET exam. Hardly 1 lakh students get MBBS seat. So what should you choose? MBBS in India or MBBS in abroad? Let's do a complete reality check based on the fees, return of investment and future opportunities. In India, 90% of the MBBS aspirants don't get the seats because of the limited capacity of the seats and the high cutoffs of the government universities. Even if you score decently, the private university charge you donations from 50 lakhs to 1 crore for the same degree, whereas abroad reputed government universities offers 5+1 duration, same course without any donation and direct admissions who is NEET qualified. Let's talk numbers because that's where the difference shocks everyone. That's nearly half the cost, whereas both the degree are globally recognized. And when you calculate ROI, study abroad give you better financial sense. You start earning as a doctor in India after you clear the NEXT or FMG exam at 1/3 the investment. Now let's talk about the quality. Another big misconception. Top university in Russia, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan have modern labs, bigger infrastructure, have wonderful hospitals and patient inflow similar to Indian government colleges. Teaching is in 100% English medium. Even Indian professors are the part of the faculty. Students get global exposure, smaller batch size and hands-on training. So when people say MBBS abroad is inferior, it's simply outdated information. After MBBS, be it in India or abroad, you need to clear the same licensing exam NEXT, which is conducted by the NMC. Abroad graduates have the opportunity to appear for USMLE USA, PLAB UK. That opens the international openings. That doubles the opportunity compared to studying only in India. Many choral students successfully practice in India and abroad. Prove the degree value depends on the capability, not the location. So here's the reality check. If you get a government seat in India, that's great. Then if not, then don't drain your hard-earned money in the private university. Choose smart. Study at affordable government-recognized university abroad with a smarter guidance. At Choral Education Services, we have guided more than 1,000+ students across Russia, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan. Zero donation, NMC plus WHO approved university, end-to-end support till the graduation.